everybody, welcome back to Miriam Cast channel. In this video I will show you everything we do on our travel day, which seems to be today. As you can see, the lighting has changed and it's now light, and that's because our train is actually like almost 1 hour late, which is like what the hell. So today we are going to a new location. We have previously been in Alepe and we are now going to Barcala, which is a beach destination. Super exciting. Jugelina and Arella are just chilling at the back and we are waiting for a train while everybody's staring at me. It is really early, it's about 7 AM in the morning and we haven't booked our tickets. We tried to book our tickets in advance but everything was sold out. So this kind of sucks because now we have to take the normal train, and from what it seems it is super busy and our train ride is like over 2 hours, so it kind of sucks. But anyway, in today's day I will show you everything we do during our travel day, which is obviously from waking up to the evening, and it pretty much is very similar every time we travel to a new location. But yeah, I hope this train hurries up because I really want to get on and I really want to get there now. So the next thing that we do is when we get to the location, we have to check where our hotel is or accommodation that we are staying at. And right now we are looking at the map to see where we are and how far are we actually.
It's about 4k, so
4 kilometers, which means we have to get a transport because we always try to walk less than 1k, but since it's 4k we have to get a transport.
we roughly see how many k it is to see how much we need to pay.
So before we actually get to the tuk-tuk, which is most probably going to be our transport to get to a hotel, me and Josh usually try to figure out a rough price that we want to stick at. So yeah, we roughly try to estimate a price that we want to pay, so then we can kind of haggle for that price.
About 4 kilometers away, how much is it? 150? 150? Yeah.
So we just managed to get our transport to our accommodation for 150 rupees. We always discuss the price before to ourselves and we don't always haggle. If it's the price that we wanted in the first place, we just don't haggle because we do understand the locals. This is the way of making money.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Looks like we are following that man to our accommodation. So because we are here quite early, we can't check into our hotel until a little bit later. So what we're gonna do is, oh my gosh, Arella just decided to play with this bottle because she's been super bored. The journey has been super long and she is basically just super bored. But anyways, like I was saying, we are actually going to find some breakfast right now because I think the time is like 10 AM and we can't check in till probably later on, and we haven't had any breakfast yet, so we're just gonna go and find some breakfast. So we just had our breakfast. It was absolutely delicious actually. We haven't had Les Movie Bowl since we left England, very long time, but because we are in a touristic area, the food availability of these kind of items is much bigger. So right now we are going to a supermarket because lucky for us our accommodation comes with a kitchen. So because we are here for 10 days, we decided it's time to start cooking, cook at home and cook for the baby because she rarely has cooked meals. Shopping's done. And now I can finally show you our accommodation. So the place that we are staying at is called La Sensora. It is in Varkala and it's very close to Varkala beach. We are paying £20 per day here. We decided to go for something more pricey. Our budget is usually £10 a day for both people. But because it's Christmas and because it's New Year's and because it's coming to my birthday, we decided to get something nicer. So we are actually on this like balcony. This is our room. Arella's already here making herself welcome at home. And as you come in, there is a bed, which is looking super cool. And we also have been given this bed for Arella. We've never been given bed like that for Arella before, which is really cool actually, this one. And then we have like kind of a shelf as well. Arella, stay here. Mommy's going downstairs in a minute. And then we also have a bathroom. Let's see, haven't seen this one yet. Very simple bathroom. Yeah! There's this random swing in here too. Arella seems to be loving it. Yahoo! And here we have the kitchen. So here we have a basic kitchen. Looks actually pretty good. It's got everything that we need. Probably one of the best kitchen we've had so far during all our stays here in Asia.
I'm happy with it, I'm happy with it.
Josh is the main chef here in our family. So
I can definitely work with this, yes. Here we have our shelf here that I've sorted out. So all that stuff is here.
oh my gosh,
Tomato
okay.
pastas, soya chunks, noodles, spices, coffee, of course. And we found this little bag here, peanut butter with chocolate. And of course, yes, it is vegan.
And we also have an outside area here, a hammock. We actually haven't had one of those here in Asia, have we?
No, not yet. Let's test it out, Arella.
Oh my gosh. Arella, her face is like, I don't think so.
You smell like weed.
And there's also this little area where people, I guess, can relax and eat and whatever. And then of course we start unpacking. We don't always unpack, but since we are staying in this accommodation for 10 days, we thought it would be a good idea to just unpack everything. So it's all ready to go. So this is what we're doing. And then we also make Arella's bed, so it's ready for her naps and evening. And another thing that I do, I actually do the laundry. So in every accommodation we trying to find this bucket. We are very lucky because this accommodation has a bucket, and all of the Indian accommodation we have stayed at already have a bucket. I don't really know what the bucket is for, but we have a bucket possibly for the laundry. And in this blue bag here we have all the dirty laundry, which I'm going to wash. And what we do is we just take a little bit of washing powder and we put that washing powder in here, all the clothes, and then we just leave it for a few hours, and then we rinse and we dry. And then after we do that, we either go outside. Right now we're not going to go outside because we have already been out. Second thing we do is either relax. That depends how long our journey has been. Number 3, we go look for food. We already have food and we bought food, so we're going to cook food today. But today we will pretty much just relax and plan what we're gonna do tomorrow. So that is pretty much it for this video. This is everything that we do when we travel on a day of travel. So I hope this gives you a little perspective behind the scenes of our life. So yeah, if you did enjoy it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Other than that, I will see you soon.